I'm going to be installing this Android Auto that supposedly works straight with any Android screen that's been installed in your car. So this one is CPC200 CCPA. I'm going to install it and see how it goes. So this is the unit. Now it should just plug into the USB port of my Android screen in my car. So when I installed my Android screen in my car a couple of years back, I left the USB cable just on the side here because I knew I may need to use it. So I'm just gonna plug this in, turn on the car and see what happens. So I've just tucked that little device here just under here and covered with the cloth that was already in there, so stop it from shaking around and making noise. So I've plugged that USB device onto the USB port of my Android screen. So here it is here, and according to instruction I just have to connect my Android screen to my local my home Wi-Fi and download this app. So there's the website that was in the instruction. I downloaded that app. So I've downloaded the app, and now I'm going to the File Explorer and go to download, and there's the app there, AutoKit APK. So I've installed that app. So after installation, there's the app right there, and you just started, and now it's looking to pair with your phone. So before connecting your phone, just go to this setting and make sure that you choose that one in the middle there, or this one. If you choose 1024 by 600, the icons will be too small. So when you're driving, it's just going to be too hard to control this, to control which app you want to use and so forth. I've chosen 922 at 30 frames per second, and I've also used, instead of mirror, I've used Android Auto. Okay, once you start the app, it's going to broadcast that Bluetooth ID. So you just have to pair your phone to that Bluetooth device and make sure that your Wi-Fi on your phone is also on. Once you start your car and you want to go to the Android Auto, you have to go to the app, which is that. To exit, we press that. So this is what the Android Auto screen looks like, and this thing down here is the home, and that's your Spotify. So to get the sound from the Android Auto, make sure you've got it set to aux in, otherwise you won't get any sound. So the only issue I have with using this Android Auto is when you go into reverse gear, or when you press on your 360 camera, it doesn't switch, it stays on that. So you have to get out of it, go to radio, and then, well, my engine isn't running, but if my engine was running, it'll show the camera. So that's the only annoying thing. You have to manually get out. Now I haven't found out how to put that app onto this main screen. Anyone knows, please let me know in the comment. I haven't figured out how to do that yet. So this seems to be fixed. I can't change any of this.